Let me ask you a simple question. How many times has your work been delayed? Not because of the system failed, but because a person forgot. That's exactly the problem scheduler workflows are built to solve. Assalamu alaikum, this is Asnam from Dot Projects. Up till now, we have seen automations that react when something happens. A form is submitted, an appointment is booked, a tag is added or removed. But some problems don't happen because of the events. They happen because of the time. And that's where scheduler comes in. For example, at the first Monday of every month, the system automatically sends a Slack message to HR. Please share the salary sheet. Nothing is automated here. No data is pulled, no report is generated, but the work never gets postponed or forgotten. This is the kind of automation that keeps the team accountable, prevents delays, and removes mental load from the managers. The system doesn't do the work, it makes sure the work gets done. Events trigger reactions, schedulers trigger responsibility. Now let me show you how to build a simple scheduler workflow and that runs on a fixed time and send the internal Slack reminder. Once you understand this mindset, you will stop misusing scheduler for reporting and start using it for operations and control. Let's jump to the screen. Let's name it and add the trigger. And now it's up to us on which interval we want to make it running. So we want to make it on monthly pattern, days of the month, or week and day of the month. Okay, week is first, day is Monday, and time is 9 AM. There are some advanced settings as well. You can skip the weekend. It is for daily intervals, and stop on is for the date you want it to be stopped. Save the trigger, and now we have the actions. In order to make this action seamless, you must make sure that your Slack is integrated. So you'll have to select Slack, select an account. So there are three options. So in this video, you're going to learn how you can send a Slack message from a workflow. So you'll have to select an event, send direct message to a user, send private channel message, or send public channel message. So what we want to do over here, we want to send a private channel message. So here we will get all the channels in our Slack. Okay, let's select administration. So we'll write the message over here. So if we are sending this message to our HR, so we can write its name. So that's it. And then you'll have to publish it, save it. So that's all you need to do in order to set up a reminder for a salary sheet. In the exact same way, you can set up the scheduler to send a weekly reminder to submit work reports, request expense sheets at the month end, ask sales to review pipeline every Monday, remind finance, generate invoices the first. It has no limit. Nothing changes except time, person, and the message. The logic stays the same, and you can apply the same logic to unlimited use cases. If a task depends on time, not an event, scheduler is the right trigger. See you in the next video.